Today, I want to talk about how we review bookkeeping on a monthly basis. We work with quite a bit of dental practices, and this is how we do the bookkeeping review each month. So every balance sheet account needs to be checked, right? So either it's a bank account, credit card account, fixed asset, long-term liability, whatever it may be. All of those need to be checked each month, and you need to obviously review the general ledger and the trend analysis, what's happening. So what we do is we have a checklist that we do, and what happens in that checklist is every month, the when the bookkeeping checklist is created, it is first tested by our system, making sure everything is reconciled, making sure uh, bank statement or the bank balances are positive, credit card statements are reconciled, credit card balances are negative. So this is how we do it, though. This is how the system really works. So we basically create review procedures for each of the accounts in the balance sheet. So, for example, if you see my screen, this one is checking that the Chase balance is over $0. This one is checking if it has been reconciled. Same procedure for all the bank accounts that we have. And then we check from uh, a fixed asset standpoint, okay, hey, if the number of transactions in a dental equipment is more than one or more than zero, we need to know and see, okay, what's in there, and do we need to put in a depreciation schedule and so on and so forth. So that's another check. You can add other checks to here that, the balance change. So what was the balance in the previous period and what is it now is between a certain range. So those are the things you can add in your list of things to do to complete the bookkeeping checklist. Now keep in mind, this is what the system does. It's not a human going and checking it the first time. It is the system automatically going and making sure the banks have been reconciled, credit cards have been reconciled, and anything else you put in here. This third one is mostly an example. I'm going to delete this one because we don't really need that one. Same thing with credit cards. You go back here and go back to credit cards. We need the credit cards to be reconciled each month. We need the balance to be negative, and so on and so forth. So you can add whatever you want procedure you want done for this specific account. You can check the account balance. If you have an offsetting account that the two accounts should be the same, you can check with the account offset test. Um, uh, how much has the account balance changed? You can check that. You can check if it was actually reconciled. If you do have a related party account, you can check if the related party accounts are the same or not. Uh, Task is mostly something that is going to be done manually by the user. You can put that in there. You can check the number of transactions in that specific account. Hey, should there be a transaction? Should there be a specific number of transaction or range of number of transactions? So you can pick that up and add that to this account. Okay. Uh, it keeps the name of the account, the description, and you can say, do we want it for all the months, quarterly, yearly, or none? If you have none, then it gives you a little bit of an error over there. But typically, it's all. So that's how we check and do bookkeeping checklists for our clients. Essentially, we set up the review procedures on our system, and then every month, when the bookkeeping checklist is created, it goes through all of these checks and marks okay, caution, or leaves it blank if something has not been done. But just something to share. If you would like to follow along and be part of the journey of the development of the software, subscribe. And if you think someone else might enjoy it too, do share the video. Thank you.